imbalance. What about a man? For a man, some of the symptoms are low sperm count. A lot of couples can't have children today. Sometimes it's the man, sometimes it's the woman. Also penile dysfunction or erectile dysfunction, inability to hold an erection. In Australia, the current figures are 50% of men over the age of 40 are having trouble with this. That's crazy. Sorry, I got that mixed up. It's 40% of men over the age of 50 are struggling with this. And also prostate problems.
Have you ever wondered if it's possible to restore your energy, strength, and vitality to the levels you had in your 20s? Well, you're not alone. Many people struggle with the effects of declining testosterone as they age. But the good news is that there's a natural way to support healthy testosterone levels, and it doesn't require daily effort. In this video, Dr. Barbara O'Neill will reveal a simple, once-a-week method that could help you boost your testosterone levels and regain that youthful vigor. So if you're ready to learn how to optimize your hormones and feel like your best self again, keep watching.
What about a male? What are the symptoms of a hormonal imbalance in a male? It can be low sperm count, it can be inability to hold an erection, it can be prostate problems.
Low testosterone levels in men can lead to challenges like reduced intimacy, a sense of emotional distance from their partner, fewer spontaneous desires, and diminished arousal. Beyond these personal impacts, research highlights a startling 60% higher risk of cardiovascular diseases and a decline in overall quality of life for men with low testosterone. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a significant health concern that affects both physical and emotional well-being. But there's hope. A transformative once-a-week method can help rejuvenate testosterone levels and restore youthful energy. In this video, we'll uncover the exact combination of foods that can naturally boost testosterone to levels comparable to those of a 20-year-old. Stay tuned for the life-changing details. 1. Pumpkin seeds, a zinc powerhouse. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill,
if a man has zinc every day, that zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone to the dangerous form of testosterone. And what's the highest form of zinc? Pumpkin seeds. In fact, one health writer said if every man was having adequate zinc, there would be no such thing as prostate problems.
did you know a simple mineral might hold the secret to balancing hormones and boosting testosterone? Dr. Barbara O'Neill highlights zinc's vital role in hormonal health, explaining how it prevents testosterone from converting into a harmful form. Want a simple way to increase zinc intake? Look no further than pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These tiny seeds are nutrient powerhouses. A single cup provides about 7 milligrams of zinc, fulfilling 63% of the daily recommended value for adults. Yet many diets in the US lack this crucial mineral, leading to deficiencies that may affect testosterone production. Why is zinc so important? It triggers the release of luteinizing hormone, or LH, which supports testosterone synthesis in the testes. Including a small handful of pumpkin seeds in your diet can significantly improve hormonal balance. Lightly roasting the seeds enhances both their taste and nutrient absorption. Sprinkle them on salads or blend them into oatmeal for an easy nutrient boost. Just a quarter-cup serving is enough. Too much could result in zinc overload. Isn't it fascinating how something as small as a pumpkin seed can make such a big impact on testosterone levels? Now let me ask you, have you considered other foods with surprising benefits for testosterone? Here's one you might not expect: Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts and selenium's role in testosterone. Brazil nuts are a fantastic source of selenium, a trace mineral that is surprisingly scarce in the typical American diet. A single Brazil nut delivers approximately 95.9 micrograms of selenium, nearly double the recommended daily allowance for men. This makes them one of the most potent natural sources of selenium available. Why is selenium so important? Studies, including a 2013 publication from Harvard Medical School, have highlighted its strong association with improved testosterone production and better sperm quality. Selenium plays a crucial role in safeguarding Leydig cells in the testes, which are directly responsible for producing testosterone. Without sufficient selenium, these cells may underperform, leading to reduced testosterone levels. Over time, a deficiency in selenium can cause more severe health issues, such as lowered fertility and a higher risk of prostate complications. So, how many Brazil nuts should you eat? Consuming just 1 or 2 nuts per week provides enough selenium to maintain healthy testosterone levels without risking overconsumption. To enhance selenium absorption, pair these nuts with a small amount of healthy fat, such as a drizzle of olive oil. Are you ready to make a simple change with substantial benefits? Incorporating a handful of pumpkin seeds and a couple of Brazil nuts into your diet could be all you need to boost testosterone and improve overall health naturally. Before we move on to the next food, let's talk about why men's testosterone is declining. Testosterone levels in men are dropping at a concerning rate, and modern lifestyles are a big part of the problem. Let's start with pollution. Harmful chemicals from plastics, pesticides, and industrial pollutants are everywhere, in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and in the food we eat. Substances like BPA, commonly found in plastic containers, act like estrogen in the body, throwing off your hormonal balance and dragging testosterone levels down. Now let's talk about diet. Processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats dominate today's meals. And these can lead to obesity and insulin resistance, both linked to low testosterone. Fast food and sugary snacks, often loaded with trans fats, increase body fat, which only adds to the problem. Plus, essential nutrients like zinc and selenium, which are key for testosterone production, are sorely lacking in these foods, leaving your body without the building blocks it needs for healthy hormones. And then there's our lack of movement. Physical activity is one of the best natural testosterone boosters. But desk jobs, endless commutes, and hours in front of screens leave many of us sitting far too much. Combine that with today's high-stress environment and cortisol levels, your body's stress hormones shoot up, which works against testosterone production. It's a perfect storm of factors. But the good news? Small lifestyle changes, like cleaning up your diet, staying active, and reducing stress can make a big difference. So what can you do? As well as consuming the foods in today's video, please take a minute and think you could be doing more. Only you know the answer. Let's carry on. Maca root. Maca root is an incredible natural adaptogen that works wonders for balancing hormones and giving your overall vitality a boost. While it's been used for centuries to increase energy, it's now gaining attention for its potential to support testosterone levels and hormonal health. So what makes maca root so effective? It's all about its unique compounds called mecanes and macamides. These little powerhouses work to support your endocrine system, helping your body maintain hormonal balance. Unlike supplements that directly aim to raise testosterone, maca root takes a different approach. It stimulates the hypothalamus and pituitary glands, key players in hormone regulation, which helps your body produce hormones, including testosterone, more effectively. By reducing stress and supporting your entire endocrine system, it gives testosterone levels an indirect but meaningful lift. Research backs this up too. Studies like one from the Journal of Ethnopharmacology show that maca root can improve testosterone levels and even enhance sexual health. Another study published in Menopause found it boosted libido and sexual performance, proving it's a fantastic natural option for improving hormonal well-being. So how do you consume maca root? A typical serving of maca root powder, about 3 grams, can be easily incorporated into a daily diet by adding it to smoothies, oatmeal, or baked goods. The gelatinized form of maca is easier to digest and ensures better absorption. Maca root has a mild, nutty flavor, making it a versatile ingredient for various dishes. Its hormonal benefits, including its potential to improve testosterone levels, make it an appealing addition to one's diet. Cacao and magnesium for testosterone production. Let's talk about raw cacao and how it can be a game changer for testosterone and overall health. This unprocessed form of chocolate isn't just a treat. It's packed with magnesium and antioxidants that make a real difference in hormone production and sexual health. Here's the deal. Raw cacao is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in supporting testosterone levels. Just 1 tablespoon of cacao powder provides about 27% of your daily magnesium needs. That's a serious boost. Studies from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism even show that men with low magnesium levels tend to have up to 20% lower testosterone. So, keeping your magnesium intake in check is a must. But there's more. Cacao is also rich in flavonols, powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow and help lower blood pressure. Good circulation is crucial for sexual health, So cacao pulls double duty here. Adding raw cacao to your routine is simple and delicious. Toss a spoonful into a smoothie, stir it into coffee, or blend it with almond milk and honey for a healthy, chocolatey drink. Just make sure you're using raw cacao, not the heavily processed cocoa powder, to get the most out of its nutrients. It's an easy way to give your testosterone levels and your taste buds a boost. Lean beef. Let's talk about lean beef and why it's a powerhouse for boosting testosterone. Not only is it packed with protein, but it's also a great source of zinc, a mineral that plays a key role in testosterone production. Just a 3-ounce serving of lean beef delivers 33% of your daily zinc needs, helping to stimulate luteinizing hormone, or LH, which triggers testosterone synthesis. But that's not all. Lean beef also brings other vital nutrients to the table, like vitamin B12 and iron, both of which are essential for maintaining energy and overall health. For the best results, go for grass-fed beef. It's richer in omega-3 fatty acids, which can support better hormone balance. When it comes to cooking, the options are endless. You can grill it up as a steak or stir-fry with your favorite veggies. For extra flavor and added health benefits, marinate it with herbs like rosemary and garlic. It's an easy and delicious way to give your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Garlic. Next, let's talk about garlic and why it's such a fantastic addition to your diet, especially for supporting testosterone levels naturally. One of garlic's star components is allicin, a compound that helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that can interfere with testosterone production. By keeping cortisol levels in check, garlic indirectly supports healthy testosterone levels, making it a powerful tool for maintaining hormonal balance. But that's not all garlic has to offer. It's also loaded with selenium and vitamin C, 2 nutrients essential for overall hormonal health and immune support. Selenium works to protect the cells responsible for hormone production, while vitamin C helps combat oxidative stress, which can harm testosterone synthesis. Together, these nutrients make garlic a nutritional powerhouse. To get the most out of garlic's benefits, it's all about how you prepare it. When you crush or chop fresh garlic cloves and let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before cooking, you activate the formation of allicin. This simple step is crucial. It ensures you're maximizing the health benefits garlic has to offer. Once prepped, garlic can be incorporated into countless dishes. For example, toss crushed garlic into soups or stews for a rich aromatic base. Add it to stir-fries alongside colorful veggies for a burst of flavor and nutrients. You can also roast whole garlic cloves in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil for a caramelized, mellow flavor that pairs beautifully with meats or spreads on whole grain bread. What makes garlic truly special is its versatility. It's an ingredient that not only enhances the taste of your meals, but also supports your body's natural hormonal processes. With just a few cloves a day, you can enjoy the dual benefits of bold flavors and boosted testosterone health. It's a simple, delicious way to take charge of your well-being. Greek yogurt. Consider how a creamy, protein-rich dairy product can further support your testosterone health. Have you explored the benefits of Greek yogurt? Greek yogurt is a key component of a testosterone-boosting diet, rich in protein and zinc. A serving of Greek yogurt provides 20 grams of protein and 1.5 milligrams of zinc, providing 14% of the daily zinc requirement. Protein and zinc are essential for maintaining muscle mass and hormonal balance. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that sufficient protein intake is linked to higher testosterone levels. Greek yogurt can be enjoyed alone or mixed with fruits and nuts for an extra boost. Plain non-fat Greek yogurt is recommended to avoid added sugars. Chia seeds can also be added for additional protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Combining these foods for maximum impact. Imagine combining some of the best testosterone-boosting ingredients into one powerful recipe. Sounds good, right? A nutrient-packed smoothie can do just that. Here's the winning combo: Greek yogurt, maca root powder, and pumpkin seeds. Each ingredient plays a unique role in supporting your hormonal health. Greek yogurt gives you a solid dose of protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion and overall health. Maca root powder is an adaptogen that helps your body handle stress and keeps hormone levels balanced. And pumpkin seeds? They're loaded with zinc and magnesium, 2 key players in testosterone production. This smoothie isn't just tasty, it's a metabolic kickstarter and a nutritional powerhouse all in one. The blend of these ingredients delivers a mix of nutrients that support testosterone levels, energy, and overall vitality. The best part? You only need to add this to your diet once a week to feel a noticeable difference. Try making this your new go-to for a health boost. Whether it's a post-workout drink or a midday pick-me-up, this smoothie can help you feel more energized and bring back some of that youthful vitality. Simple changes like this can go a long way toward improving your health and well-being. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching.